Okay, I think I'm recording now. I think I am. I'm not sure. Alright. But if I am, it's probably gonna sound so bad, because last time when I recorded, it was like, so. Yeah. What happened right now?
Hey guys, so the real
No, wait, you left the game? Dude, I can't. Alright. Gun, give me that. What's this guy? Oh no, stop. What did I did? Do they just shoot like random people even though like I didn't do anything? Alright, this girl's done. She's so low! Kill her! I think she has a game pass. She had like an auto shooting gun. This girl is downloading hacks that give her antiviruses, but she doesn't care. She still does it. Alright. You guys suck. Oh my god, there's a bunch of police. If I get past this, I'm so smart. No, you ain't tasing me today, brother. Alright. Come, you're dead. Don't come. Nah, I'm gonna kill you anyways. I gotta go. Huh? Oh my god, I hate this cop. I hate that cop so much. Dude, so you're not gonna come back for me? You know how my friend escaped? He just glitched from his auto clicker.
Yeah.
It's not real escaping, dude. Oh my god, somebody took that gun. Okay, great. That girl sucks. You suck, man. Yeah, I can still hear you. Oh, yes. No. Oh. I picked it up like 1,000. Yes. Yes, you guys suck, dude. You guys suck. Yes, I'm escaping, you see? Right when I become criminal, I'm gonna go. What? Okay, I'm gonna reset. I think you will teleport me to the criminal base. I'm not sure. Yes, I did. Alright, you see, my friend is gonna glitch out like in 1 second because of his dumb auto clicker, but I don't care.
No, guys.
Hey, guys, look at the clock. Can I move this still? I'm not sure if I could. No, I can't move this. That sucks. Yeah, now I'm just gonna kill one cop and I'm so I'm playing with my friend Jose. Sorry that I didn't mention. Alright, so I'm gonna be recording, or I'm gonna leave. Yeah. I'm gonna be leaving. I'm gonna be leaving a link to the description of my friend's channel. Go subscribe to him. No. Alright, let's kill this cop. Alright, he's good. Kill the cop. Are you too scared, dude? I'll shiver my timbers. Alright. I'm just gonna... Oh, you suck! I'm killing that cop. Where is he? Yeah? Aw, bye. Well, my friend left. I think he needed to go. I'm not sure. Yep, he left. That's it. Now let's kill this guy. Ha! We got him. So that's gonna be the end for today because we finished the video up and I'm gonna go right now because okay, we killed one cop because I'm so good at this game. Not actually. Let me in! Oh, I was about to say the key card doesn't work. I legit don't see any cops. You know, I'm just gonna... Okay, I already know I'm gonna be a prisoner after this, but I don't care. Okay. Oh shoot, no, you're dead, you're dead. You're the cop who tried to kill me, and you're dead now. Can I take his key card again? No, I can't. How did you shoot me, dude? How did you shoot me? How did you shoot me? Tell me that question right now. Ha, that's what you get for shooting me last time. Alright, guys, come on, you guys are getting out today, buddies. What? Oh. No! Get up, no! Okay, well, that's gonna end it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I am out. Bye!